Hey, what is going on everyone, this is iReviews back with another video, and Apple has just released iOS 13 Beta 5. So this update should come to you at around 500 megabytes. So let's take a look at what's new on iOS 13 Beta 5. Now with Beta 5, when switching to the dark mode or light mode, you will get an animation. So you can see that little fade away when switching from the light mode to the dark mode or vice versa. There are also some changes on the ringer. So when you're switching the volume, now you will have 32 steps instead of 16, which was before. Also, I believe this is going faster, so if you keep the volume buttons pressed, it will go really fast and you will get a nice animation right there. There are also more steps when switching the volume right here, so you can see there are a lot more steps, and also you will get an haptic feedback when changing the volume using the volume buttons. Also, when you tap to switch to change the volume with the finger, you will see there it will add like a kind of dark like shade right there on the screen, so it will dim the screen when you're changing the volume using your finger on the volume slider. Also, when you're taking a screenshot and the volume slider is on the screen, it will automatically dismiss it. The share sheet has also been redesigned on Beta 5, so you will see now it's separated into different sections. Also, if you go ahead and want to share like a web page, now you will get an automatic option right there. Also, the check mark has been a little redesigned. You will see a slight change on it. It's hard to notice, but it has been redesigned, and you will also get this automatic option here on the sharing options. The open in new tab is back on Safari on iOS 13 Beta 5. So now on the haptic touch, basically on the 3D touch, you will get a new option here to open something in a new tab. On the music app now, if you're playing a song that doesn't support lyrics, the lyrics options right here will be grayed out. Also, the share sheet on the music app has been redesigned, as you can see it right here, and you can also customize it, so you will have this new button right here to edit the actions, and of course you can customize it any way you like. On the App Store on iOS 13 Beta 5, you will get a new option here, Notify Me. On the arcade section, you can go ahead and enter to get notified when it's available. So that is it for this video, guys. These are some of the new features and changes on iOS 13 Beta 5. Of course, there will be more. As soon as I discover more, I will let you know on a new video. Go ahead and subscribe for that, and I'll see you on the next one.